Okay, so my next guest today is Don Dennison from PIT Services up there in the New York area. Great to see you again, Don.
You too, Trevor.
Yeah. So here we are at obviously a semiconductor show. Do you have a line card or equipment you promote on the back-end packaging side?
So I've come out to the show, my first time here at the show, and I'm meeting with a lot of my current principals that I know very well, meeting some old friends that I've known in the industry for many years, and I'm looking for equipment for that semiconductor industry because it appears that, especially in my area in New York, thanks to Governor Hochul, we've got New York Create coming, and the Dutch have decided to come over and invest, and we're going to be doing a lot of things in New York with the semiconductor. So,
well, I mean, the Dutch already have invested a bit. I mean, there's a big ASML factory at Wilton,
yes,
in Connecticut.
Yep.
But you're right. I mean, there's a lot of investment money going into that area.
Yep.
It's seen as an investment area. So exciting times for sure.
Sure, and Governor Hochul's investing a lot of money into education. So they're going to be doing a lot of job creation. The businesses upstate New York, you know, we have Rochester Institute. They have a nice facility up there, and they're doing a lot of work. So it's going to be an exciting time. The next few years.
I mean, there is some evidence of some of the larger contract manufacturers now starting to put clean rooms into their facilities so that they can bring some of that back-end packaging capability in-house.
Sure.
Are you seeing that in your region where you operate?
So my territory on Long Island and New Jersey, they're still building circuit boards.
Okay.
I've spent some time out here in Silicon Valley, and I'm starting to see a transformation. I see some of the companies putting in portable clean rooms and hiring people at that next level of technical ability.
Yeah.
So, and it's going to require some reinvestment on some of these companies' part. So it'll be interesting to see if we follow suit on the East Coast.
Yeah, absolutely. And what about creating, what sort of relationships do you have already within the back-end packaging community?
So I'm trying to work with my existing customers that were building memory, and I think they've been waiting with bated breath to get back involved with this. So I'm excited about that. And I've got quite a few medical companies and military companies that are excited about being able to build their own chips. Right. So well,
that was a trend that was started by Apple, wasn't it? You know, I mean,
sure.
Actually, if you can build your own chip, then you know you can make it a lot more, a lot more effective. You know, you have a lot less issues that you've got to work around.
Sure. So I'm excited. I work with the Long Island SMTA chapter. I am the director of technology development, and I've got a lot of elder IPC guys that are into the CHIPS Act, and they're really promoting this whole concept back in New York. So I'm hoping that things are going to start to get exciting out there again.
Great. Well, I'm certainly be rooting for you, and I hope to see and hear good things next time we meet. And wish you every success growing out the back-end packaging business up in New York.
Great. Thanks again, Trevor. Always good seeing you.
Thank you.